How to log in WhatsApp using laptop or computer? Yes, you are listening right. If you want to log in into our WhatsApp account and if you want to use that in on laptop or computer, yes, you are listening right. If you want to log in and use, how we can do? First of all, requesting you like the video and subscribe to the channel for get more videos like this. You gonna say that this is a very easy task, but it can be easy for you, but for new learners, for new peoples that are coming first time on this platform, or they are using WhatsApp or they want to use on laptop or computer, then what they can do and how they can do. First of all, I'm gonna let you know that you don't have to do much more. First of all, it should be logged into your mobile phone, and after that just go to the laptop or computer, and over there you have to just type web.whatsapp.com. Yes, you have to go to the web.whatsapp.com and press enter, and as you can check out, this is asking about the QR code. What you have to do for this? You have to go to the WhatsApp and click on three dots, and after that click on linked devices, and it will ask you about that you really want to link device. Press on this green icon, that is link a device, and after that you have to give your thumb impression, or if you have added a password, you have to add the password. We are scanning that QR code and it gets logged in no time. So that's the way how you can log in your into WhatsApp computer or laptop. So hope you like this video. Don't forget to like, share with your friends so that they can know how they can log in, and don't forget to comment down below we helped you in this or not. And if you want to log out, the logout button is over there. You can just log out. And if you forgot to log out from the computer, how you can do? We gonna give you the details video in I button and description below. You can check it out over there. Hope you like this video.